Split Old Town is the beating heart of the city, so if you're planning to explore this vibrant part of Split, stay tuned, because in today's video, I'm sharing the top 5 things to do in Split Old Town to help you make the most of your time here. If you're new here, I'm Kim, and I specialize in crafting short travel guides on popular destinations. So if you're passionate about travel, be sure to check out my playlist on various cities and join the community so you don't miss out on your next bucket list adventure. Number 5, Pazar Market. Renowned as Split's most popular open-air market, Pazar is located just outside Diocletian's Palace by the Silver Gate. It's a popular area where you'll find stalls selling souvenirs from nearby islands, including lavender products, olive oil, and beach essentials like hats, clothing, and water shoes. You'll also find colorful flower stands, vintage items, handmade crafts, local artists, and small cafes, perfect for a quick break during your shopping spree. Most vendors accept cash only, so be sure to bring some euros with you. The market typically opens around 7 a.m. and stays open into the evening, making it a great place to visit after a day of sightseeing. Number 4, food tour. Split offers several local food tours, and I joined one that combined a guided walk through the Old Town with stops at 5 local spots, most of them family-run and loved by locals. Our first stop featured Dalmatian prosciutto, local cheese, olive oil, and homemade bread. Next came black risotto, followed by pasticciata. We also tried burek, a flaky pastry filled with cheese or meat, and wrapped up the tour with a gelato. Overall, it was the perfect way to explore Split's flavors, and trust me, you won't leave hungry. I'll leave the link below for you to check it out. Number 3, cooking class. One of my favorite experiences was a hands-on cooking class that dives into Mediterranean cuisine. I joined one that started by exploring the green market to pick up fresh vegetables, followed by a visit to the fish market to choose the catch of the day. Then we made our way to the cooking studio where the real fun began. We kicked things off with an appetizer and a welcome shot of local liquor, then rolled up our sleeves and got to work. With the help of our chef, we learned how to cook risotto, prepare fresh fish, fry calamari, bake homemade bread, and cook seasonal vegetables properly. We wrapped up the class with a glass of local wine and sat down together to enjoy our creations, a must for travelers who love to cook, eat, and connect. Number 2, Diocletian's Palace. With more than 1,700 years of history, this UNESCO World Heritage Site is now the living heart of Split. Inside the palace walls, you'll find restaurants, boutique hotels, shops, and museums, all nestled within the original Roman layout. From Peristyle Square, you can stop by the main ticket office and grab a combo ticket, which saves you money and includes access to several key landmarks, such as the Cathedral of St. Dominius and its underground crypt, the Temple of Jupiter, the Treasury, and of course, the Bell Tower. For those who want to dive deeper, the Substructure Museum beneath the palace offers a fascinating look at Split's Roman foundations. Number 1, the Bell Tower. Known as one of Split's most iconic landmarks, the Bell Tower was originally built to accompany the cathedral and serve as a watchtower over the city. To reach the top, you'll climb around 200 narrow stone and metal steps, but the effort is absolutely worth it. At the summit, you'll be rewarded with panoramic views of Split's red rooftops, the Adriatic Sea, and the surrounding mountains. To avoid the midday heat and the crowds, try visiting early in the morning or just before sunset when the light turns golden and the breeze makes the climb more enjoyable. As always, if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and be sure to turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any of my travel guides and adventures in Croatia, as well as other exciting destinations. Keep on traveling, and I will see you guys in the next video.